Hey guys, how is it going? Welcome back to the Smoking Tractor YouTube channel, where me and Ben work on tractors. I know, pretty crazy. Today, we're going to be working on the 124 as well as doing some other stuff. I don't know, just random stuff. This is a video that is a compilation of things from like a year. So sit back, relax. I know it's a long video, but enjoy. We are doing the coil stuff. Yeah. What's in there? Tools?
Butt crack. You know what? We gotta mount this somewhere else.
Really? Why?
Because!
So we're gonna start the tractor today, boys. You'll notice that the back end is like kind of missing. It's like over there.
It's being a work in progress.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Alright.
crank it up.
I don't need to hold the coil up this time. Yay.
No.
Move that. Move this. Move this. Stop.
It got stuck.
Move
Is it
that.
recording still?
Yeah.
It got stuck. This wasn't even connected. Okay, now the idle.
Okay.
Let's get a fuel tank hooked up.
Let's do that. I agree. We'll be back.
I cannot hear nothing!
What's the deal?
The battery's dead.
Oh man, it's unfortunate. Are you capable of charging it? Then we should do that.
No!
Bruh. Okay.
Who wants their shed on fire?
Guess why it wasn't working? Because the thingy wasn't hooked up. So now that it's hooked up, it should work, in theory.
Yo, it's running on its own!
I see that.
Yeah, beep at me, I don't care. Alright, let's go charge this.
Oh, is it dead?
That's why it's typing at me. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? Where's the pen?
Did you drop it under here?
No.
And these cracks?
There it is, right there. Look out, man.
Okay, good. Alright, anyway, guys, the tractor's coming together. This is the livery that we had designed for it. I personally think it looks very nice. What would you say there, Ben? The American flag, yeah. It's gonna look very good. I know. This is
I'm
exciting.
gonna drive it today.
We are gonna drive it
That's how
today.
you find the freaking
Bolt.
bolt.
Alright, I'm gonna move this. Oh, also we created a list on the back of this. So
For your mom.
we have everything that we need. Get rid of electrical boxes, a question mark, because it's that. And we don't know what to do with that. I don't actually know. I'm gonna put that back in the toolbox for you. Is it one of these?
No, it needs to fit that. Hey, to the garage. I know where there's one at. Run, run, run.
Okay, running. Oh God, you are like, you know where one's at. Is that it? Nice. That worked. All right, so we're about to start this.
It moves!
Let's go!
It moves!
High five.
Let's go! It moves! It moves!
I gotta go add something to the list real quick. We're going to add mesh grill stuff. This is gonna have mesh here and mesh here, and it's all gonna be painted blue with the American flag. Like the stars, like that part. It's gonna be all over the front. It's gonna look cool.
Hits the Bronco.
Would you like me to hold it or something? Okay, hold on.
I would not stand right there.
Why not? Oh, exhaust?
Flames.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you remember now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, ready?
Sure. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm glad I didn't stand right there. Also, so he like spray painted this little bit with that spray paint, to show me that it was the same color, which it's not, as you can clearly see. That one's darker than this one when it dries. But I put my hand in it.
Oh, this is stupid.
What? Oh, what? The gas is leaking. That's not cool. So we got the grill. Where's the grill?
You stepping on
Oh,
it.
I am stepping on it. Okay.
You gotta paint it yet.
We gotta paint it, but it looks pretty good. For
A turd.
this is what we got so far. So we got the flames. They go all the way down the hood,
Yeah, you gotta show them.
both sides. These lines, not this squiggly one. This one, the solid one, and that one. That's gonna be a white stripe. This is not stripe. This is gonna be blue with white stars. So right about here, it's gonna be a line. All above this is gonna be red. This is gonna be white. It's gonna go down to this like box. So under this box right here, all this section, that's gonna be red. This section is gonna be white, and then the bottom frame and all this floor thingy, and about like up to there, and all this will be red. So yeah, and then the wheels, that one's not really that great. I'll show you on this one. So if you can see where I drew the Sharpie line, so the lip will be white, and then the inside will be red. And then yeah, we're probably gonna make side panels for it. We have an intake. I think it's in here somewhere. Yeah, I see it. We'll probably paint these like blue, and they are blue, but like dark blue, like to match the rest of it. That'll be sticking under there. We'll make a hole for that. And we'll have a stack that goes up, and we'll make a hole for that. So it's gonna be sick.
Okay.
Alright guys, so see this star and see this hood. This is where the blue and the stars are going to be. So I cut out a star, and it's not the best, but we got to still primer over this anyway, so all this is going to get covered up. So I'm just going to start drawing them in like this, and then like, so they'll be like that. So yeah. So see these stars? They're going to go all the way like that, all the way onto the end of the hood. And all the way down, and all the way down here. And if we put side covers on, all the way down them. It's going to look good. Alright guys, I have been sent on a mission to go get a green and orange wire. So let's find it. Is this the green wire? Yeah. Is this the orange wire? Can't find the orange wire. Oh, this is it. It's just very dull orange. Okay. What was that?
I just got hit with fire.
What? There you go. 10 more guys.
Something ain't right there. Okay, I figured out what happened.
Okay.
This fuel tank keeps sliding down and it's not getting any fuel.
Should I just hold it?
Yes.